You have to review it now.
I added the barbecue sauce.
Nice.
Lovely.
Hey, what have you got? A cheeseburger? Nice? Recommend it to a friend? Good. Got the Monster Smash Burger, which looks a bit like that. It's a black brioche bun with cheese, lettuce, tomato, and pumpkin ketchup. Oh my god, that ketchup is nice. Pick up with one hand. Oh, sauce is lush. You want to try it? Pumpkin ketchup. Some chips, like.
Good.
Lovely.
Yummy.
You enjoying that, eh? Didn't you?
Drink.
Came up pretty quick as well, and it's absolutely stunning. Aiden's absolutely demolished his burger, which is unusual for him. Elliot's eaten a few nuggets. My wife loved the loaded fries. They were really nice. I tried them as well. So, yeah, happy days. It's a shame they only do it at special events at the moment. But hopefully they're going to look to doing it a bit more regular, because food is really nice there.